So hey YouTube, it's your girl Giselle. I'm back with another video. But like I said in my previous video, you will be getting a video from me, and here it is. It's not the video I've been talking about, but this video is going to be a hair tutorial where I am going to show you how I change the color of my hair. And I did a hair tutorial before, but it was on a wig where I lighten the color of my wig using only a developer and not bleach. And if you haven't watched that video, jump in the description box, click the link and check that video out. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share the content so everybody can know about me and my videos. So let's get into the video. So like I mentioned, I will be doing a hair tutorial. Don't mind my hair. I've already sectioned out my hair on how I'm going to color it. And today's color, it's going to be honey blonde. I don't know if I'm going to look like her, but this is what I am going to be using today. The brand is Creme of Nature. Then you see the color here, honey blonde. So like I mentioned, I've already sectioned out my hair in 4 parts. And I have my shower cap, I have my mixing bowl, I have my developer and hair color. So these I'm going to use today. But before I make anything from my own hair, I took some strands out of my comb and I did a test on how the color is gonna come out, right? I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think so, but from my eyes it looks like it's gonna be good. And I've already lightened my hair. You can see some of the color here. I did about a couple of months ago. The same thing I did to the wig, I did to my hair. So I am just going to get to it. So we're gonna mix the cream, the developer in my mixing bowl. So we're gonna, if you can see, I'll just take off the cover and pour it in. Don't mind any background noise, guys. Before I continue, I'll get my gloves because, you know, the last time I did something like this, I went halfway through the video without gloves. So I am going to get my gloves. I am nervous because I do not know how my hair is going to turn out. So let's get gloves. So like I said, I threw out the developer into my mixing bowl. You can see that. And then oh my god, I threw away some of the developer. No worries, no worries. And then I'm going to add the hair color. So that's trash. So this is, before I try it away again. So I'm just going to mix it. So I hope it's enough. I haven't decided if I want to do my whole head or leave my roots dark, but we'll figure it out on the way. So we mix, we make sure everything blended. Set. So like I said, I have my 4 parts, so I am going to start with the front. What I normally do when I'm coloring my hair, I normally base the borders with petroleum jelly so the color would not stick on my skin, or just to protect my skin from the products. But I didn't do that today because I don't think I'm going to go as deep as I did before. So like I said, I'm going to start with this section. So if you can see, this is the original color that I had in since February, I think. Oh, before that. So I'm going to apply the color onto the section. I'm on the last section now, and then what I'm going to do after, I'm going to do the retouch of the areas that I didn't touch, because you realize are going very fast. So and it's not a lot. What I will recommend after, I mean, like, what I would recommend for anybody who wants to try this, like, when you're perming your hair, baste your hair with something that can protect your scalp and your skin. Like, I didn't do that, but I recommend that so it don't give you any problems. So I didn't want to do my whole head, but I did anyway. So that's it, right? So based on the instructions, they said to leave it in for 20 minutes and put a shower cap over your head, and I might apply heat to it, I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know when I come back. So that's the application. I did it very fast. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but that is it. I have my shower cap. Put it on and I will be back. Okay guys, I am back, and before I left I told you that the instructions said 20 minutes but it was 25 minutes. So I covered my head with a shower cap, and a shopping bag, right? So like, I didn't expect that. I'm glad that my reaction was on camera. But this is how the color is. I am going to wash it out and wash my hair, and I'll get back to you guys because I am excited to see what's going on here. So I will be back, guys. So guys, I am back, and this is how the color is. I forget that spot, but this is how the color turned out. I am getting ready to set my hair and dry it and everything. So I just came back on here to show all the products that I used. So you know, I did this is the color honey brown, and after doing that I washed my hair with these two shampoos. This is the purple shampoo that helps with, you know, the blonde that is in the hair to keep it from fading, and then this is my regular deep clean shampoo. And then after washing my hair with those shampoos, this is the treatment that came with the color. I sat under the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes with this in my hair. And also it came with a treatment oil, a small bottle. I think this was the treatment oil that came with the color also. And then I also use the leave-in conditioner by Cantu. Cantu is a product for all types of hair, not only natural hair, and this is what I use in my hair. And then I'm going to either wrap set my hair or I'm going to curl them. And so this is the foam that I'll be using to do my hair. So those are all the products that I use in my hair today in this video. So I am going to do it, set my hair, let it dry and everything, and then I'll come back on to show you the end results. If I don't come back on after this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And like I said, if I don't come back on, I will insert the before and after pictures of my hair. But I am still in shock with the color of my hair. I had to call my mother to show her what I'm doing, and she said I am good. So I'm going to get my hair set and everything, and hopefully I'll be back, and if I'm not, I'll insert the pictures at the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.